Alright guys, we're back again. Today we are going to be looking at the shift boot again. We're going to be refreshing some stuff on the shift boot. The collar is what we're working on here. Originally we installed an OEM collar, which is this. I believe it's off a CTR, not CTR, Integra Type R, DC5. We had this on there, and it wasn't sitting the way I wanted it to. So our buddies at Strut King gave me a call and gave me a shout and sent me over both of their shift collars. So we're kind of checking them out. We have one shift collar here and one shift collar here. One is for leather shift boot. Well, they're both for leather shift boots. They're just different types. This right here, well, let's start with this one. This one right here is for the Strut King leather shift boot. What you'll do is you'll take this, insert it here on the Strut King shift boot, and when you pull it through the other side, everything it sits flush because the hole here is small and perfect to fit right on this one. Sorry, I don't know why it doesn't. There it goes. It's perfect enough to fit right on there, and it just looks flush and beautiful. Collar. So we are going to put this through like this, and we're going to zip tie it around this groove right here. Sorry, around this groove. Now I had picked up 4-inch wire ties. Not enough. If you're using the real shift boot, real leather, it's not enough. I would get a 6-inch wire tie. I got them thin like this. I wanted them real small so you don't see the bump in the leather whenever I turn it inside out. But I'm just using double. I'm using two. One tied into another one. And then that's how I'm doing this. So this is what you're going to use. I'm going to put this part number in the description, the link for it. So this way, if you do decide to go with the leather collar that I linked last time, this will be the leather boot that I used last time. You can get the correct collar for it. All right, guys, we go ahead and got the collar on. It's already on and tied. It needs to be flexed and fixed and screwed on. But yeah, we're good, guys. Let's go put this on and with the shift knob and see what it looks like. There we go, guys. Strut King collar installed. Perfect. The boot doesn't sag anymore. I need some flex. I need to flex it up a little bit, but yeah, no more saggy boot. I want to change the knob out, but it doesn't feel as awkward anymore. Actually feels pretty good. So yeah, guys, check out Strut King boot if you're gonna do a boot upgrade in your RSX. Sorry, not Strut King boot, Strut King boot collar. This way you can not have that saggy boot that I had earlier. And yeah, guys, real leather boot, Strut King collar, any shift knob you want. This is just off my 10th gen, but I'm gonna put a different shift knob. So yeah, guys, be sure to check out Kevin and Strut King. They have a lot of cool stuff like your pedals, your shift collars for your boots. It's really good. It cleans it up a lot instead of having that sagginess that I had earlier down here. It would just slide down. Now it'll keep it up. No problems at all. Super affordable. Check them out.